A 2018 Range Rover Sport. This car is a 2-in-1. What comes in your mind? For me, it comes luxury, speed, performance, and a little bit of respect. Ile unapewa na wajamaa pale ukikuwa na hii gari. A 2018 Range Rover Sport. This car is a 2-in-1 and the information of 2018 nataka uichukue kwa mfuko and stay with it. So 2018 Range Rover Sport, this is how it looks and you can see the DRL ziko very attractive, very eye-catchy. The grill of the car is very good. Alafu pia the bottom part of the front resemblance ni gari ambayo inakuchukua. And Range Rover is all about the feeling. It's all about luxury. Hii ni kama kutoka from point A na uende sema which point, from point A uende ukae Runda, uende ukae Karen, uende ukae Muthaiga, uende ukae these posh places. Sasa ukitoka kwa Toyota ukuje kwa Range Rover umehama, umetoka these other parts umekuja these expensive parts. So it is the same thing with the Range Rover. Hii ni gari ya resemblance, ni gari ya luxury, ni gari ya show, acha niseme hivyo. Because you cannot be driving a Range Rover na wewe ni msee unalia money or something. So this car is a 3-liter engine diesel, and I've been telling you 3-liter diesel engine, it does not consume a lot of fuel. Hii gari as a, you can compare it to a Prado, you can compare it to a Fortuner, you can compare it to a Chevrolet Trailblazer. They are consuming the same amount of fuel. So singiwe na woga useme nilikuwa na Range Rover mafuta itakuwa inapepetwa inaisha kabisa. No, it's a 3-liter diesel engine. Kama unataka the SUV biography, the 5-liter, hiyo ndio inakunywa mafuta. It's like the Audi SQ5. That car really goes, but consumption of the car is very high. So ni umeamua kunataka poison gani. But if you decide to buy a Range Rover, you umeamua kunywa this poison, and SVR 5-liter, pesa si shida. Unajua pia tunaenda penye unataka kukaa. So this car 2018 model, you can see it's a very good resemblance and inakupea that aggressive look. Kwanza the lighting of it, and then this lighting, they are the LED lighting, and while moving, while driving at night, they try and reduce the reflection of another car that's coming onwards you. So hii gari yenye utaweka full light alafu uanze kusema nachoma ile mtu mwingine, nachoma mtu mwingine, the other cars do that, but the Range Rover, the one that has all the LED on the front headlights, hii ina change. So it's not a must you do it like manually, punguza fanya nini. It detects the car that is coming in front and it tries to reduce the brightness of the car. Once the car has passed, then the brightness becomes full again. So that's the other advantage of this car. So zimekuwa with a face. This one is the third generation from 2005, 2013, 2022, alafu from the 2022 to now. My director atawekea hapo muone the first face of the Range Rover, the second face, that face. But in 2018 they gave this facelift for the car. So ukinunua the 2018 Range Rover, you'll find this facelift. Alafu imekuja to 2022. From 2022 to 2025, now you're getting the new facelift, the one that has a sleeker headlights, and then the rear lights are also sleeker. So imekupea that feeling ya wewe kuamua unataka gari. But these cars are comfortable, my friend. Wewe ukitaka kujua the comfort that you're driving a car and you're really feeling the comfort of it, buy this car. Alafu kama unataka to be driven, buy the Vogue. Vogue ni ile gari unakaa back left, alafu driver wako anakupeleka. But the Sport ni gari ambayo mwenyewe unapelekea. And I've told you in the other video that Sport is the first Range Rover. Huwezi compare na Vela, huwezi compare na Evoque, huwezi compare na Vogue. This one is the fastest Range Rover family. So if you want a fast Range Rover, go for the Sport. Vogue is all about luxury, but it's not as fast as a Range Rover Sport. Vela, it's a bit sleeker. Then the Evoque ni kale kadogo ka the ladies. So no unataka gani. So I'll take the interior of the car. The interior part of the Range Rover, the cockpit of the car. Ukiniangalia the way I'm seated, I'm very comfortable man. Shida zote zimeisha. And that song was also the one that said, erulie kwenye Range Rover, amucheke kwenye boda. I'm not a musician, but that phrase really catches me. Wewe utaamua gani? Utaamua kulia kwa Range Rover, amucheke kwa boda. For me, I'd agree to cry in a Range Rover. Kwa boda, I won't allow that. Hiyo sitakubali hata kidogo. So you're getting the near the stick shift one, but from the 2018 from 2018 frontwards you're getting the no, this one does not have a knob. Hakuna Range Rover has a knob. The knob comes in the Vela. And also this new Range Rover Sport, the one from 2022, you're also getting the stick shift. And then from that 2018, it's a bit slickier, because now from the 2000, that's why I told you the information of 2013 wekelea kando, 2018. So this is a dashboard of the car is a 2013 model, but the exterior walifanya facelift wakaweka the 2018 model. So hii gari ni cocktail, nje ni 2018, ndani ni 2013, ndani na nje ni 2013. So this one you're getting the one screen, and for the buttons here for the AC and everything. Then from 2018 you'll get two screens. You'll get this one and the other one. So the car will have two screens like the one in the Vela. Then from 2022 you'll get the one screen. So from 2022 utapata Range Rover ambayo iko na screen moja zile. So from this one it's one plus the buttons here. Then from the second one 2018 you're getting the two screens. Then the 2022 one you're getting the one screen. Waliamua acha waweke screen moja, wewe amua kufanya mambo yako yenye utafanya. Then the gear knob it's here. It's this one but it's a bit smaller. My director wangu, Director Regan, atawaonyesha pale, atawekea the new knob of the Range Rover Sport from 2022 you can get. So from 2022 the car imekuwa much the dashboard wamejaribu kufanya ikuwe much smaller. Wamefanya smaller na wakeka everything in the screen there. So and then in the steering, this one are getting the button for the infotainment system, for the display system, and as usual you're getting a moonroof na sunroof. Sasa wewe mwenyewe unaamua utafanya gani, but this guy is very comfortable. This guy is very comfortable. We'll go on the road and show you how comfortable the car is. Alafu unapoa heshima. Hii hata askari kusimamisha si rahisi ile. You are giving the respect that you deserve. Alafu pia watu wa matatu wanakuwa na tabia mbaya, but while driving this car, hata mtu anduzi anajua. Hii gari ukipasua kioo is around like 3 to 4 motorcycles you have bought them. So hii mtu hawezi kukatakata mbele kama nyoka, vile mtu anashikia amekukata mbele. No. Hii mtu anaacha na lane yako, akiona you are slow, anashift another lane. The respect that you deserve for this car. So 6.5 million Kenya shillings. Why can't you come and sell for you this car? And if you want us to import for you this car, 2018 model, Outsource Automobiles watakuimportia this car. 2018 model roughly will start from around 14 million kuendelea. 2018 model 14, 15 hizo ukiendelea 2018 to 19 to 20. So if you want this particular unit, the 2-in-1 2018 exterior, 2013 interior, give me a call and I'll give you this car at 6.5 million Kenya shillings. Lakini ukitaka the 2018 model we import for you, again give me a call, niambie Mike niko na 15 million, utaniimportia Range Rover gari. I'll tell you the 15 million I'll bring for you this particular car. Nakumbuka importing the cars from 2018. Alafu vile saa hii pia with the new CRSP tutakuwa nakwambia the new taxes zenye zimekuwa in the vehicle. So this car is very good. And then so if I start from here, you're getting the handbrake, then you're getting the height control. Hii gari unaisongesha chini, unaisongesha juu. Then here you're getting the control system. So while pressing that button, you can remove this car from the normal, from the general. You take it to the grass and gravel or snow. Kenya kuna snow, mziona snow, but iko kwa gari. Then from here you'll take it to the mud and ruts. Hiyo sana ni kwa matope and everything. Then from there you're going to take it to the sand area. Kama ni mtu wa beach areas, mtu wa Mombasa, pwani huko, beach sandy areas, again you're putting that. Then from here you're getting the rock crawl. Hii saa umeenda to the river banks and you're driving this car, it will go to the crawl mode. So unapata this car has very good information, has a very good terrain on it. Alafu pia unaweka in the auto, hapo inakuwa automatic. If you put in the auto, it will sense the terrain on which you are and it will automatically adapt the terrain in which you are driving to. Ni mimi hapa back left, paparazzi, that was Nashinsky, and I always catch the phrases of song because I like music. So back left mimi nikikaa hapa hivi, nimekwambia mimi area nilio kwa Range Rover, lakini I won't love in a boda. So you're seeing the comfort of this car. Alafu kiti unajua they have really pushed it on the rear side. So hata mwenyewe ukikaa you have very much space. So ukiangalia the car, it's naambianga nyuma the best that you can sit is a two people. Ukiweka mtu mwingine wa katikati atafinywa kidogo, but if you are the two of you mta very enjoy the car. Then you're getting the knobs of the AC here. This one is a heated seat. You can heat the seats, you can warm the seats, you can cool them. I always cool the seats, you can only heat them. So you can only heat the seat, then you're getting the AC here. So pale driver kiasha the AC, you can control the AC via here. Then you're getting the white light. Naonga naambia whenever you're seeing the white light, juu gari ni ya pesa. Hizi gari zingine zinakuanga yellow. The interior of the car it's yellow. So if you see a white light in a car, wewe juu umevuka to the other side, umeenda to the luxury cars. Lakini ukiona your interior of the car it still has yellow glowing, wewe bado hujafuka to the other side, uko side nyingine kama Toyota na nini. But even the Toyota have the ones that have the white lights, the Toyota, the C300, the Lexus and the other ones have the white light. So but if you see the other one going in the timu yako imeshuka kidogo, the Prime Meridian speakers are very good. Prime Meridian speakers give you the sound that you want. I love this car, they have tried and balanced the speakers, so you see like the manufacturing of this car, before they put the speaker, they make sure they have kept the sensors everywhere. So mwenye anakaa mbele, mwenye anakaa nyuma, mwenye anakaa kwa boot I'm not sure, but mwenye anakaa mbele, mwenye anakaa nyuma, the music inakufikia very good. So it's a sweet music, it depends on the hip hop or a gospel or something, but inakufikia on a very so it's a very nice car. Alafu hapa you are getting unaweka your drink here, you can put your drink here, or apart from putting your drink, you can also put something else. Hapa sijui nini nzao kwa nyinyi, advice kwa comments niambie nini mnaweka hapa, but you can put your drink here. Ulinyoa wili mko hapa, CEO unajua like living the life, but it's not a must to be that CEO, because nimekwambia 6.5 million Kenya shillings and you can walk away with this car. 6.5 million Kenya shillings, you can get a Prado. 6.5 million Kenya shillings, you can get a Hilux. 6.5 million Kenya shillings, you can get a Q5. There are so many cars that you can get on 6.5 million Kenya shillings. But kwa nini usichukue Range Rover? Hii status, hii heshima unapata, and the mileage of this car is 106,000 kilometers. 106. So kinoi gari inaongeza 50,000 kilometers on it, still utaiuza. Unaona? 6.5 million Kenya shillings kujia gari. And again, if you want to import this car, give me a call. Niambie Mike, I want to import a 2018 Range Rover Sport, 2018 Range Rover Vela, 2016 Range Rover Vogue, Evoque, whatever the car, sisi tunapata yote tutakuletea. So it's a very comfortable car. I love the panoramic roof. It's a very big compared to the other cars. You can see the lighting that I'm having. It's a very good lighting. So you can close all the windows. Kawa ni mtu wa VIP, close all the windows, alafu hewa inaingilia from the upper part of the car, and you feel the luxuriness of your money. Nakwambia tukitoa 6.5 million Kenya shillings ununue gari itakuuma, because it's worth your money. Unajua kuna pesa nyingine unanunua gari then mtu anakuambia hata hiyo pesa ungenunua shamba, but you can buy this car, even the friends will be like, "Eh, wazee umeshika moti." These are very nice.